You done? Moving to Alaska. Mini episode. This is just gonna be a quick one. Making dinner. Burgers on the grill. Grandma's here. Mama's here. Mia must be outside.
Nope, Mia's going to the bathroom.
Mia's going to the bathroom. Getting ready. The most important ingredient. Put them on at 475, but the hamburgers cool the whole grill. Nice flour, Mia. Like her hand. She cut her hand today on the deck. She probably painted, huh? So we don't cut ourselves on it anymore. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a beautiful day. Lawn needs to be mowed. I planted today a little container of basil, oregano, and cilantro. And I got a tomato plant here and a jalapeno plant that I'll do later. And the burgers are cooking.
How come?
How's your burger, Grandma? How's your
Hey,
burger?
look at
Yeah, there's the bird.
you missed.
How's the burger, Grandma? Good?
Very good.
Yeah, how's your burger?
Can I have some potatoes?
I didn't try it.
You can try it yet. Okay. Janine?
I tried
Very
it
good.
good.
Yeah. Potato salad over here. That's pretty good too. Well, we are done with the dinner. How was it?
Oh, it's 5 stars, don't you
5
think?
stars, Mia? What do you think? What was your favorite part about tonight's dinner?
Water.
The what?
Water.
Water? Your favorite part was water. That's not a very good compliment to the chef.
All of them.
All of them.
All
yeah.
of it. Good answer.
Potato salad was really good, man. And she finished her burger. She's still eating cucumbers and the bread. Quite a bit of the bread is.
Push it out!
Whoa, Percy! She's like, all right, get inside. Get inside. Come on. All right, so that ends the mini vlog. What we do, Alaska? Mini vlog. You have a name, Mia? You have a name for this one? Mini vlog dinner.
2019, first barbecue.
Mini vlog dinner, first barbecue of the season.